Don't make it a monster. A very common cause and a much simpler treatment: high blood pressure. In traditional medicine, it is believed that our bodies have four mucus: phlegm, yellow bile, black bile, and blood. According to this ancient wisdom, an imbalance in the levels of phlegm or blood often leads to high blood pressure. However, it's important to note that the type of high blood pressure differs depending on which mucus is in excess. If high blood pressure is caused by an excess of phlegm, it is called cold nature hypertension. In this case, the diastolic number is consistently elevated. On the other hand, if high blood pressure is caused by an excess of blood, it is known as warm nature hypertension and is characterized by an elevation in the systolic number. Notably, individuals with sanguine temperaments often experience elevated levels for both systolic and diastolic. Now let's explore the factors that contribute to an increase in phlegm or blood and how to treat them. Traditional medicine suggests two approaches, while modern medicine suggests only one. The first suggests both, balancing the percentage of phlegm or blood and dilating veins with herbal cures, while modern medicine treats high blood pressure just by dilating the veins with medication to facilitate smoother blood flow. Traditional medicine believes that stress, anxiety, fatigue, cold-natured foods, and sour foods tend to increase phlegm levels. In individuals with phlegm imbalances, it is recommended to consume warm-tempered foods, eliminate stress, engage in walking on sandy or rocky surfaces, and running to sweat, so removing excess phlegm from the body. Honey and dates are also beneficial, while honey should be consumed on an empty stomach in the morning and before bedtime. For stress and nervous control, saffron syrup can be helpful. It is important to take 1 tablespoon of Doucin every 8 to 12 hours, but excessive intake can cause miscarriage. Additionally, a pinch of salt before and after meals can help warm the food and stomach during digestion and prevent excessive phlegm production. Interestingly, most women have a cold temperament, while men are the opposite. Regarding high blood pressure in sanguine-tempered individuals, their blood volume increases. It is recommended for them to undergo bloodletting, hijama, 2 to 3 times. The best seasons for bloodletting are spring or autumn, when the blood tends to boil and rise. Cold_nature foods, lemonade, grapefruit, sour-tasting foods, vinegar, and barberry water can help lower blood pressure. If the blood is too thick, starting with vinegar syrup or consuming vinegar with meals can be beneficial. Sanguine-tempered individuals can be identified by certain signs such as a tendency to have a red complexion and quick facial flushing and ear redness when angry. They also tend to be more aggressive. Don't overlook Doucin again, which is a combination of semi-crushed black seed and honey. It helps dilate the veins. What's even more interesting is that crime rates increase on nights when the moon is full. Do you know why? The gravitational force of the moon not only affects the tides in the sea, but also has an impact on the fluids in our bodies, as a significant percentage of our bodies is made up of water. And it raises blood pressure. That's why crime rates and the number of people visiting hospitals for heart disease or stroke tend to increase on nights when the moon is full. However, in emergency situations, you can take Doucin every 4 hours, eat 7 to 21 black seeds slowly, or put black seed oil under your tongue. If you feel pain in your eyes or pressure in your head, you can prick your finger with a needle and let a few drops of blood come out. These are simple and effective remedies. Thank you for staying with me. In this channel, I will provide you with thousands of natural and herbal treatment methods that work. Wishing you the best.